Welcome to our latest update on the Compass Margaritaville Hotel in Flagler Beach. Just weeks after the groundbreaking, we're here to show you the remarkable progress made on this exciting project. The site has been fully secured with fencing, ensuring the safety of both the public and the construction team. One of the first steps post-groundbreaking was the extensive clearing of the grounds, preparing it for the next stages of construction. The focus has now shifted to leveling the ground, a crucial step for laying the foundation of the hotel. Despite the scale of this project, there has been minimal impact on local traffic and daily life in Flagler Beach. Some parking adjustments were needed, yet there remains plenty of accessible parking for residents and visitors alike. As the Compass Margaritaville Hotel takes shape, we're excited to bring you more updates on this transformative project for Flagler Beach. Stay with us as we witness the evolution of this landmark, promising a new chapter in the story of our beautiful beach town.